thumping that microphone. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, Dex, how you doing, buddy?
What up, what up, what up?
There we are. We're on the screen. It's good to be with you, man. We're a little late. Sorry about that, folks. We even sent the newsletter and we were late, but that's all right. We're showing our humanity. We're showing that there's real traders behind the trades.
Exactly.
But how you doing, buddy? We've got a special little show we're actually going to do today, which is we're going to transition very quickly into our private Discord. And people love that. We could say whatever we want. Dex can say whatever he wants. And you can participate a little bit more. So, but what's on your mind?
We enjoy that very much.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun with it last time. So I'm excited. Sorry, I'm shaking my camera. I got my camera sits atop screens that are on this like one pole. And so whenever I shake my desk, it just goes nuts. But yeah, we're going to give right in the live chat. This is the only place to get it. Hey, Alex, you waited and we're here. we're going to give you a special link and then I'll shut up and we want to hear what Dex has to say before we get into our live chat, what we're going to talk about a little bit. But I'm going to give you a special link in the live chat. And with that link, you can get into our Discord. And Discord's simple. It's kind of like Slack. Great place to hang out. We can share our screens and go live on video and say whatever we want because we're not on YouTube. So here comes that link. And this link only lasts a few hours. It has limited use. First few people to use it. So if you click on it and it doesn't work, you came too late. It only has, we're only going to let about, I think, 25 people in on this one. We just like to keep it slow. So jump on that. So Dex, how you doing, man? I've got Bitcoin up on the screen. We're going to answer any questions anybody has in the Discord. But it's been such a crazy, crazy week. In a crazy month, in a crazy year, in a crazy decade.
Yes, it has, man.
What are your thoughts going into Thursday morning? Thursday morning.
I think we just scratched the surface of the craziness here. If you take a look at the complete 360 reversal now in the Bitcoin futures and crude oil futures, just unexpected, came out of nowhere. That's why you need the pulse waves, man, so you can know how you should move in these situations, because the markets can turn on a dime and surprise you and come out of left field. And no news, no nothing, just reverse. And that's the kind of world we're living in right now.
Yeah, insane.
When some things you can kind of track and plot, but then other things, you have these anomalies that just occur. Like there's no way for you to know when a bomb is going to drop. There's no way to know when a war is about to break out sometimes, or a terrorist attack, or, a severe weather event. Sometimes there's no way to know when these kind of phenomenons may occur.
Or a presidential resignation.
Exactly.
What's your feel on that? Do you think we've got that coming anytime soon?
It's happening a little bit later than I expected. I expected it to happen, right after that 100 days, right after the first inaugural address or whatever.
Right.
So it's happening a little bit later than I expected, but it's still, in my opinion, going to happen nonetheless. I think his situation is worsening, and everyone is witnessing it.
Yeah.
I can't hide it forever, just like you can't hide. Well, I can't. I don't know if I should say this. I have to wait for the Discord. So
the Discord, yeah, we just got to say something to the Discord. Yeah, it's I think it's the situation where you have supporters who really believe the BS. People who they've been fully brainwashed. They fully plugged into the whole leftist corporate media brainwashing. Hey Nathan, what's up, man? They've absolutely adopted that, and now Biden's embarrassing them because they're CNN is true for them.
Yep.
So I think that that's creating some pressure on Biden, that he's kind of like dropping the veil for a lot of people. And
yeah, pretty much. I think that's safe to say.
I always try to look at things from, I have my extremely esoteric conspiracy views on what's going on in the world, always adapting to the current situations. But I like to try to think of what are they thinking? What is the sort of like man on the street newsman who's been indoctrinated into all of this stuff? What are they thinking when they see Biden just totally incompetent? You know, the people who thought that, Trump was going to bring about nuclear war and all this kind of stuff just through incompetence. And now they're seeing this guy who literally through at we hope incompetence. It seems it's obvious it's worse than incompetence, but I think they're hoping he's just incompetent and not something more sinister, like I think many of us assume. So it's interesting to watch them squirm. All right, last chance, folks. We put this link in the live chat, and we're gonna let Dex loose as well as any pulse waivers that show up. As long as everybody is nice and polite, behaves, which they always do. So, we'll see you in the Discord in a few minutes. Dex, looking at this Bitcoin chart, anything specific you want to point out about it? What do you think we're looking at heading into the weekend? Cryptos in general, just looking at my own portfolio. Sometimes I'm more obsessive than others, but I can tell just by a quick look that things are certainly looking a little more healthy in the cryptos. What are your thoughts for the next few days?
I think that the market is now going, like I said, going to be staying at the upper end of the trading range and going to try to penetrate deeper into the resistance zone of 50 to 55,000.
Right.
So, yeah, there you go.
We got the weekly.
That's what we are.
Yeah, the chart's sort of so slowly on the weekly, slowly moving up the Kumo cloud. It's like the same story the last few weeks. Just waiting to see what happens next. So, All right, cool. All right, folks, everything is on the table. We'll talk about anything in the Discord. Here's what I'm going to do as soon as we get off of this, which we're going to do momentarily. I'm going to put this link in the comments, the actual comments, not just the live chat. And I think it will live for a couple hours. I set it for, so it'll be fresh for you to join the live chat. So, all right, folks, we'll see you there. We're out. We'll see you in a few minutes in Discord.
Peace.
I can't click end broadcast till I hear the peace. I'm worried. It's like the time space continuum will shatter if you don't say.